press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. For today's episode, I'll teach you how to do this reverse purple eyeliner look. So without further delay, let's get right into it. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you all like this look. Let me know your views in the comment section below. And since you love us and our content so much, I have a little surprise for you. You can join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.